Hi guys, you are watching my YouTube channel Professor for You. Thanks for subscribing my channel, also liking and sharing my videos. I am here with another very important video, that is biggest brain damaging habits. So let's start. Following are the biggest brain damaging habits, so avoid these habits. Number 1, missing breakfast. So the first one is missing breakfast. Don't miss the breakfast. Try to take a breakfast daily. Number 2, sleeping late. The other very brain damaging habit, sleeping late in night. So try your best to sleep in time and also wake in time. Number 3, high sugar consumption. So please avoid high sugar consumptions, because when you drinks, so please avoid the high sugar consumption. So avoid those drinks which are contain sugar level high, or the other sugar based materials, sugar based foods. Number 4, sleeping late in morning. The other very dangerous habit that may cause damage your brain, that is sleeping late in the morning. So please wake up early in the morning. It is also beneficial for your physical health. Number 5, eating meat while watching TV and mobile. So avoid eating meals when you are using mobiles or watching TV. So don't take food and don't try to eat the foods. So when you get free from these activities, then you take your food. Number 6, wearing scarf, caps or socks during sleeping. So when you are going to sleep or going to your bed, then please remove your scarf, remove your cap. If you are wearing socks, then also remove the socks. Number 7, stopping urine. When you feel the urine is coming, then please don't stop the urine. Use the toilet and bypass the urine, otherwise you will face the consequences. These are the 7 bad habits which may cause the growth of the brain. So you also follow these 7 points and also observe these points and also share these points with your friends, with your children, with your family members. If anybody doing this, then please instruct him to stop doing these things. Thanks for watching video.